What's up, everybody? It's JR. I'm coming at you from the car wash, and today I want to talk to you about LIner Xtreeme do-it-yourself bed liner products, which is what I have all over the side of Clifford here. Let me flip you around and show you. So the reason for starting this video the way I did, because I'm about to go over to the car wash and wash it, is I want to show you the one complaint that I have with this stuff is that everything sticks to it. It doesn't really, it just always looks like that. If you go down a dirt road or whatever, the dirt will stick to it, dust sticks to it. Obviously right now salt's sticking to it. It's just, you know, so your truck always looks kind of dirty. It's really the only complaint I have about it. It's holding up well. It doesn't look cheap, you know. It has powder coat on the wheels, not the LIner Xtreeme. All in all, it's pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with it overall. So let me go ahead and run it through the car wash and I'll show it off. It's been on there for about 6 months now, and I drive it daily, about 75 miles. So let me run you through the car wash, and I'll come back to this and show you how well it holds up, and we'll do a little quick durability test on it. Alright, so I ran it through the car wash. It's 20 degrees out today, so it's probably gonna freeze up pretty damn quick. But you see, it's got a nice texture to it. It's a little bit grippy. I did it on the bed rails also. I used the 3-gallon kit, and it's not enough to do, like I thought it might be a lot, but it's not. It was enough to do the rockers. I replaced these cap corners right here, and I didn't want to mess with trying to match the paint and everything else. Now, whenever I see one of these Chevy trucks with, you know, spray-on bed liner on the rockers, I just assume that they're all rotted out and crappy, and they're trying to cover it up. So I was a little leery about wanting to put it on my own truck. I've heard you guys can track down where I live from that license plate number, by the way. Feel free, stop by, we'll have a beer. I was a little leery of painting it because I didn't want it to look like I was covering up poor repairs, which I didn't do a poor job. But you see, I didn't quite get coverage right here. 3 gallons was barely enough to cover my rockers and up to the body line, my flares and bumpers. Peanut, get over here. I'd actually considered doing the whole truck, but 3 gallons wasn't nearly enough. Now, this is the kit that they sell for $189 or whatever, and I'll show you the durability of it real quick. I just cut into it, so you can do that, but it's pretty. It's rubbery. It's not going to easily scratch off or anything. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Except, like I said, you know, everything kind of sticks to it. But other than that, it's held up really well. It's pretty durable. You know, I got ice and salt all over it. Rocks. People open their car doors into me. You know, all of that, everything that goes along with having a big truck. It doesn't build much mill thickness, I can tell you that right now. So if I were to do it on the inside of my bed, I would probably use 2 or 3 kits to get to the thickness of like a LIner X. But as far as, you know, for this purposes, for covering up my repairs and blending everything so that it looks nice, I'm pretty happy with it. I would do it again. I just, you know, I don't see very many videos about the LIner Xtreeme for some reason, so I'm not sure why that is. But I have it, I'm using it. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to ask. I hope I've been pretty thorough. This is JR and Peanut, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.